Allah Azza wa Jalla drawn for us, He made a parable for what, or an example for what is called a word. Subhanallah. Allah said, Alam tara kayfa daraba Allahu mathalan kalimatan tayyibatan ka shajaratin tayyiba asluha thabitun wa far'uha fi sama. Within Surat Ibrahim, chapter 14 of the Quran, on the page 258, verse 24 to 26, Allah said, Alam tara kayfa daraba Allahu mathala. Don't they see the parable drawn by Allah Azza wa Jalla, kalimatan tayyiba, of a good word? Subhanallah. Don't they ponder about this example drawn by Allah, the example about kalimatan tayyiba, of a good word? Allah said, kashajaratin tayyiba. A good word is like a good tree. A goodly word is like a goodly tree. MashaAllah. Asluha thabit wa far'uha fi sama. Its roots are within the land, firm. Subhanallah. And its stems are waving within the sky. It is a healthy tree, if I'm to say. Tu'ti ukulaha kulla hinin bi'idhni rabbiha. Allah said that example of that tree, it brings out its fruits every season. Kulla hin bi'idhni rabbiha, by the will of Allah. Maybe it's a mango tree, mashallah. It brings mangoes within each and every season. A jackfruit tree, mashallah, a palm tree. What can I say? What can I live? That is the example of a good word. It brings its fruits, yet its roots are firm within the soil, within the land, and its leaves and stems are waving within the sky. وَيَضْرِبُ الْأَمْثَالَ لِلنَّاسِ لَعَلَّهُمْ يَتَذَكَّرُونَ. Allah said we bring these examples to people that they may ponder. My brother, will you ponder about the example of Allah Azza wa Jalla? My brothers, my sisters of Islam, please listen to the second example of Allah Azza wa Jalla. Allah Azza wa Jalla said, Subhanallah. Even the mic wants to pray Jum'ah. MashaAllah. Barakallahu fikum. Allah Azza wa Jalla said, وَمَثَلُ كَلِمَةٍ خَبِيثَةٍ. And the example of a bad word, an evil word, an abuse, a lie, a slander, backbiting, singing, listening to music, هكذا. وَمَثَلُ كَلِمَةٍ خَبِيثَةٍ كَشَجَرَةٍ خَبِيثَةٍ. It is the example of an evil tree, of a bad tree. Subhanallah. اجتثت من فوق الأرض. It is uprooted from the land. ما لها من قرار. It has nothing except to die. The survival. That is the example of a bad word, which is compared, all made, subhanallah, equivalent to a bad tree. MashaAllah. I'm talking about a word. Remember that. If you ponder, get to know, you will ponder. And the ponder will be a significant pondering, mashallah. But if you let your life like that, living like the animals, not pondering about your words, you just do what you want, لا ينفعك الندم. Regret won't be beneficial to you.